You're going to love the 2007 Chevrolet Colorado. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 5-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a rear step bumper, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.